Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 5, multiples and factors. Today we will learn about factors. First, let us understand the factors of a number. What is factors? In a multiplication fact, we multiply two or more numbers to get a product. These numbers that we multiply to get the product are factors of the product. Let's take a number. Find out the factors of 12. So factors of 12 means 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. We get 3 pairs of numbers that gives us the product 12. No other pairs of number when multiplied will give the product 12. Now let us take each pair of number separately and understand what it means. Let us take first pair. First pair 1 into 12 is equal to 12. So 1 12 divided by 1. 1 12s are 12 minus 0. 12 is quotient and 0 is remainder. And 12 12 ones are 12 minus 0. 1 is quotient and 0 is remainder. Hence when we divide 12 by 1, we get quotient is 12, and when we divide 12 by 12, we get quotient is 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. Now next, pair 2. Pair 2. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 divided by 12. 2 6 are 12 minus 0, and 6 divided by 12. 6 2s are 12 minus 0. And here when we divide 12 by 2, we get quotient is 6, and when we divide 12 by 6, we get quotient is 2. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus it means that 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. Pairs 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So first 3 divided by 12. 3 4s are 12 minus 0, and 4 divided by 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 0. Here also we get the remainder as 0 in both the divisions. Thus it means 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. Thus we now understand that 12 is divisible by 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Hence, we say that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Hence, we can define factors of a number as a number which exactly divides the given numbers. Now let us look at the certain points which we need understand related to the factors with the help of some example. Point to remember. Point 1. 1 is a factor of every numbers. Look at the example. Example 1 into 6 is equal to 6. It means 1 multiplied by any number. Any number is equal to number itself. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Any number divided by 1 is equal to number itself. Number itself. Look at here. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Any number means 8 divided by 1 is equal to number itself means 8. Point 2. Point 2. Every number is a factor of itself. It means 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Any number means 6 multiply 1 is equal to number itself. Itself means 6. Next, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. Any number means 8 divided by itself means 8 is equal to 1. Point 3. Point 3. The factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. For example, factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It means 1 is less than 12, 2 is less than 12, 3 is less than 12, 4 is less than 12, 6 is less than 12. But 12 is equal than 12 means 12 is equal to 12. Point 4. Every number numbers except 1 has at least two factors 1 and the number itself. For example, factor of 7 is equal to 1 and 7. Let us look at the factor of 7. There are 1 and 7. No other pair of numbers when multiplied together will give the will give the product 7. That is, the number of 7 has at least two factors 1 and 7. That is the number 1 and the number 7 itself. Hence we can say that every numbers except 1 has at least two factors. I hope you will be understood. Thank you and have a nice day.